Hi friends, welcome to Linux 4. My name is Chandan and today we are going to discuss about the AdSense. So basically in previous video I have shown you that my AdSense account got limited for ads, and after 5 days Google sent a mail to me regarding this. So they reviewed my AdSense account and they found something suspicious. Okay, so they have currently they have they have temporarily suspended my account now, so because of invalid traffic. Okay, so we are temporarily suspended your account for 30 days. During this time no ads will served on your site. So currently there is no AdSense they are serving on my site. Okay, because they have suspended for 30 days. Okay, so let's come to mail. Why they have suspended? Why was your account suspended? So they have mentioned some valid reason behind this. So we found instances on one or more user click repeatedly on your ads. So basically maybe someone, we don't know who is that. So that's why we need to very secret or very precise in this matter, because currently they have suspended for 30 days. Next time if this thing is repeated, then they will maybe suspend permanently. So this is very critical issue for any person who are who is running the sites with the Google AdSense. Okay, so basically this is the issue behind my account suspension. Currently they have suspended for 30 days only. There is but in future if this issue occur again, then they might be suspend for permanently. So what we need to focus on that. So basically what action we need to take, or what we can do on that. So they have given all the things here in mail. If you see, so currently they are saying that this is one time non level suspension. After 30 days people automatically re-enable ad serving on your account. So basically this is and no need to take any action from your side. Okay, because they are already mentioned these things. After 30 days people automatically re-enable AdSense serving on your account. So no worry, they will automatically uh, uh, enable the AdSense on your site. No need to take any action from your side, any mail, any feedback. Just wait for 30 days. After 30 days they will automatically enable your AdSense account. Okay, so it will impact your payment also, because they have mentioned that you will be receive payment again once your account is unsuspended, begin to generate sufficient valid traffic. But they have also mentioned that we will deduct revenue from your earning, and where appropriate and possible we will credit it back to advertiser. So maybe they will they will take some payment from your what you want, and from there they will distribute the advertiser between the advertiser. So it's possible. But they have also mentioned the prevention regarding this, how you can prevent this issue uh, in future. So how can I prevent this from happening again? They have mentioned some documentation. You can go through that documentation. So first they have so the top region for account suspension. So let's see what are the top reason behind this suspension. So account suspension for policy violation. Policy means like they have some certain policy. You can go through that and try to understand what they want on that. Record invalid traffic, feedback, common region actions, account suspension in a. So basically they are looking for quality. Okay, they are looking for quality of traffic, quality of visitor. Okay, so it's all depend on the quality of the traffic, quality of the content, everything. They are monitoring all the things, and they have mentioned all these things here also. Don't click live ads on your on site. This is one of the things, and learn how to segment your traffic, understanding the monitoring traffic and review AdSense quality resource. So basically segment your traffic means on your Google Analytics you can segment your traffic, you can filter your traffic, like how much traffic coming from Google, how much traffic coming from Yahoo or other search engine. So you can filter and specify, and you can monitor that things. So you can, if there is any multiple suspicious activity is happening, you can report to Google, and Google will find in front of your feedback. So this is possible. Even the Google is saying these things. If you found these things, you just report us. Okay, so we will check from our side. Okay, so you will be safe in that condition. So that's why they are saying that you can segment your traffic, because you need to monitor your traffic, who is visiting, who is clicking multiple times, from which IP, from which place. This can be possible. That's why they are saying. But currently even I did not segmented my traffic. So when I do these things, surely I will upload a video on this, and review ad traffic quality resources. So basically they are saying about the quality only. So make sure this prevention you will follow, so your AdSense will be no go for the suspension. Okay, uh, and currently if I go to my AdSense account, you can see here your account is temporarily suspended as a result of suspension. Ad serving is disabled. Okay, so when you click on policy center, you will find these things. So invalid activity multi-clicking. So basically someone may be multiple time clicked on ads. There is no reason, we can't specify anything on this, but some site, some visitor, or someone, whoever, they clicked multiple time, and they even they are monitoring 7 or 8 days, then they realize these things there is because actually they are monitoring various closely all this activity. So they are taking the time for 7 days, 8 days, and then they are collecting all the data, and then analyzing all the points. Is there any multiple clicks, or is there any suspicious activity performed by users? So after 7 days or 8 days, they will analyze your AdSense account data, and then they will take the action according to that. Okay, so currently my AdSense, you can see a status ad service disabled from suspension date September 19 to suspension ended 19. Okay, so what happening, they have what's happening, as a result of violation your account has been temporarily suspended until October 19, 2020. During this suspension no ads are shown, your payment are on hold, your latest revenue may be deducted from your account and refund to advertiser. You can see they have a specified and clear sentence. So so that's all. They will, whatever that they are going to do, already they have mentioned these things on 19 automatically they will enable the AdSense. So I think that's all in this video. Okay, and also they have mentioned what you can do, try to find source of the invalid traffic and put measure in place to mark sure it does stop happening. So basically they are saying please monitor, or please find out from which source this invalid traffic is coming and monitor and mark that. Okay, make sure it stop happening. So it's like warning type. They have given us given me warning, and they punish for 30 days, and that's all correctly. After enabling the suspension, let's see and let me monitor all these things, and currently I am doing these things now, and that's all in this video. We will see what the status on 19 after 19, if they are enabled, and what are the message they are saying. Surely I will upload on video on that. So okay, thank you for watching this, and subscribe.